Hi, I'm Roberta Sand, the Marketing Director of Garrett Leather. We're here to help you find the perfect product for your project. Nubuck is a great alternative to finished leathers. Here I have one of our two Nubuck products, Kenya. Kenya is lightly buffed to expose the lower layers of the hide and create a soft suede type feel. It has an embossed grain for added texture. Kenya hides also have water and stain repellent dyed into the leather. So if you accidentally spill onto the hide, you'll see that the liquid will bead up and not be immediately absorbed into the leather. This will give you enough time to grab a dry, clean towel to blot the spill. As a pure aniline, Kenya hides receive all of their color from our fiber dye process, where the dyes penetrate the entire thickness of the hide. Natural characteristics are evident on Kenya hides. For example, neck wrinkles may appear anywhere from 1/4 down to 1/3 of the hide. You'll also notice a dark shaded area that runs down the center of the hide. When I run my hand over Kenya hides, you'll see the areas dark and light in the change of color. That's due to the change in the direction of the nap. The embossed grain pattern on Kenya adds consistency and texture to the hide. That is the main difference between Kenya and our other Nubuck product, Allura, which has a very smooth surface. Kenya hides will show signs of wear, and you may notice the leather darken subtly over time as it absorbs the natural oils of your skin. It will develop a beautiful patina with extended use. Kenya is known for its extra large hide sizes. Most hides average between 60 and 65 square feet. This hide is 70 square feet. If you have any questions regarding Kenya or any of our products, please give us a call.